Good morning students, I am Dr. Bandita Rath again. So I have been taking your unit which is your recombinant DNA technology and its application. I have already completed 2 of your classes. So if you go through the slides, तमे जदि पछुको slides गुड़ा को देखिबा, I have tried to incorporate your writing part. लेखा तम मानक पई जहाँ दरकार सेटा भी मु incorporate करची. Few of the tables I have incorporated and also huge amount of your pictures. So this has been created with a thought process कि जो छुआ माने कोविड सिचुएशन जोगु से बाहर को जाई पार नांते तांका पाखरे बही नाही तो से माने ए स्लाइड को भी देखि नै कि से माने they can carry on with their study. तो मो एते एक्सटेंसिव स्लाइड प्रिपेयर करिवार माने होउची जे छुआ मानक पाखक जिते बड़े स्लाइड टी जीव और रिटर्न पार्ट रू भी तांका पाखे बही नथिले भी से माने आराम से बुझिकी से माने पढ़ी पारिबे. So in our last 2 classes we were dealing with the tools of biotechnology. We have already completed your enzymes and your recombinant DNA and in your recombinant DNA we have completed your vector. So today we will be dealing with your insert DNA. So what is this insert DNA? The desired DNA or gene of interest. The desired DNA or gene of interest which is transferred from one organism to another with the help of a vector is known as your insert DNA, passenger DNA, foreign DNA or your transgene. ता माने कौन मु जो जीन सपोज ह्यूमन ग्रोथ हार्मोन जीन मु सपोज ह्यूमन ग्रोथ हार्मोन जीन टाको मु कल्चर करबा पई चाहूची ह्यूमन ग्रोथ हार्मोन टाको मु पाइबा पई चाहूची एज माय प्रोडक्ट. सो ता पे मते फर्स्ट आई नीड टू सिलेक्ट दैट ह्यूमन ग्रोथ हार्मोन जीन. I need to have that one. So say gene ta mu gotiya organism, suppose I am taking it from human being and from human I am transferring it to your bacteria like your Escherichia coli. So ये जो transfer टा जो होची, this transfer is with the help of your vector. We have already discussed this. So this DNA which is transferred from one organism to another is known as your gene of interest, your insert DNA, foreign DNA, passenger DNA, also as your transgene. So how do I get my transgene? मु को सोर्सेस रु मोर ट्रांसजीन गुड़ाक मु पाई परिबी बा DNA of interest मु को सोर्सेस रु पाई परिबी. I can get it from your cDNA. I can synthesize my own gene by synthetic means. मु जदि सीक्वेंस जानी थी मु मो निज जीन भी मो निज जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट को मु सिंथेसाइज कर दे पारिबी और as your random DNA fragment. So let us go into details about all this sources of a transgene or sources from where we can get a gene of interest. So first is cDNA. We have already dealt with your cDNA in brief. So the cDNA is a copy or your complementary DNA. cDNA, C stands for your complementary. So cDNA is a copy of your DNA which is made on your RNA as a template. जेते बेले आमे RNA को टेम्पलेट नहीं कि आमे गोटे DNA कॉपी करूछे आमको जो DNA टा मिलुची सेटा आमे cDNA पाउछे. And this process is known as reverse transcription. Why reverse transcription? Because within my body what happens, आमे DNA रू RNA पाई थाओ प्रति आमे आम बॉडी भितर आमर नेचुरल प्रोसेस जोटा होची प्रोडक्शन ऑफ योर mRNA, we are getting DNA, we are getting your mRNA from your DNA, and this process is known as your transcription. That is, when we get mRNA with DNA as a template, we call it as transcription. But over here the reverse thing is happening. mRNA is a template, and on this mRNA template we are getting a single stranded DNA. So this process is known as your reverse transcription, and the enzyme that is used for your reverse transcription is your reverse transcriptase. So this reverse transcriptase enzyme was first discovered by Tiemann and Baltimore in 1970. In this process what happens is, after formation of your single stranded DNA, then DNA polymerase comes into picture. गोटे सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड डीएनए हो गला परे डीएनए पॉलीमरेज आमे नो आ डीएनए पॉलीमरेज द्वारा आमे तार कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एटा फर्स्ट स्ट्रैंड थिला जोटा कि आमे सी एमआरएनए रु पाइचे सो आमे से फर्स्ट स्ट्रैंड रो आमे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री स्ट्रैंड टा आमे देन प्रोड्यूस करू taking the complementary DNA as a template. Why I am saying it complementary? Because I have got it from the mRNA. So now I am getting the double stranded DNA molecule. So how this is taking place? Basically I am taking this I have to isolate the entire mRNA. For making your cDNA I need to isolate the mRNA from a cell or from a tissue of a particular organism. मते mRNA दरकार मते mRNA टेम्पलेट टा दरकार DNA synthesize करबा पे मु कोन बॉडी भीतर करूची नाही I am doing this in vitro. I am doing this outside my body. So how do I do it? I first have to extract or isolate your cells or your tissue from which I need my mRNA. मु से सेल्स गुड़ा को काढ़ी सारा परे then I isolate the total mRNA. मु पूरा सबू mRNA काढ़ी I carry out with a reverse transcription of the mRNA. After carrying out the reverse transcription and getting the double stranded DNA, I can easily get the gene of my interest. Okay, so this is a process. Let us go into the details. So I have shown a hybrid over here. This is your mRNA template, and on this mRNA template I am getting a reverse, I am getting a complementary DNA. Why it is complementary? Because the bases of your DNA are complementary to the mRNA, and as we had already discussed in mRNA, the 4 type of bases that are present are your A adenine, uracil, cytosine, guanine, whereas in DNA A, T, C, G. Okay, so I am getting a single stranded DNA out of this mRNA as a template. Now you will say, madam, we can easily get DNA from genome. आमे आराम से आमे डीएनए आमर जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आमे आम जीनोम रु आमे आम क्रोमोसोम रु आमे काटिकी नहीं जाई परिबा विथ द हेल्प ऑफ योर रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम. व्हाई डू आई नीड टू कंस्ट्रक्ट दिस cDNA? For that we have to first understand the mechanism of your transcription in prokaryotes and your transcription in eukaryotes. Why we need to understand? Because it is ultimately we are using this prokaryotes as a host organism. आमे मोस्टली आमे प्रोकैरियोट को होस्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म यूज करछे. सो सेइथि पय आमे तांकर जो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन मेकानिज्म ता आगो ब्रीफ रे जानि नेबा दरकार ताकि आमे cDNA काहे यूज करछे आमर से आइडिया ता आसी जिवो. In case of your prokaryote, what happens is this is your structural gene. Structural gene माने कोन? It is a DNA sequence containing your single gene. And this DNA sequence is not broken. Not broken माने ए जीन रो सीक्वेंस भितरे मोर आउ किछि आजे बाजे सीक्वेंस नहीं. First to last, this entire green one is my gene of interest. This is the promoter. मु आगो क्लास रे कहिथिली हमरा प्रतिटी जीन आगरे promoter थाए. Upstream, we call it as a upstream and हमरा promoter थाए. So जेते बेले prokaryotes रे transcription हुए, after transcription we are getting your mature RNA. Mature RNA, what is your mature RNA or your mRNA? It is the functional RNA. जो थ्रू के हमें directly we are getting the protein. We using the code of mRNA, we are getting the protein by a process which is known as your translation. This is a clear cut method. ए भीतरे किछि complexity नहीं. Why? Because prokaryotes are relatively simple organisms. So what is the changes or what is the difference that is taking place in your eukaryotes? In eukaryotes we are having split genes. In eukaryotes we have split gene. What are split genes? If you can see over here, I am having a promoter. So from this blue over here, blue region 1 over here to blue region 5 over here, this represents a split gene. For example, insulin. If this is a eukaryotic insulin gene, then the blue fragments of 1 blue, 2nd blue, 3rd blue, 4th blue and 5th blue, they are the actual sequences that will be coding for my insulin mRNA. They are the actual sequences that will be giving rise to my insulin mature RNA, and from that mature RNA I will be getting the protein. But in between this blue, this entire structural gene is interrupted by your intron, intron A, intron B, intron C, intron C, D. ता माने कर मोर जीन, मोर एक्चुअल जीन टा भितरे मझिरे गुड़ाए सीक्वेंस अच्छी विच आर नॉट कोडेड. What are the coded sequence? Your coding sequence are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in blue. Your non-coding sequence are your A, B, C and D in yellow. Okay, so एटा होची split gene. In case of your eukaryotes, the gene is not continuous. It is having your DNA sequences. Rather, it is having a intron is a long stretch of your non-coding DNA between your exons, which are your coding regions in a gene. So this blue region 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are the exons and they are the coding regions of my gene. So when this split gene is being transcribed, when transcription, when RNA polymerase transcribe this split gene, we get a primary transcript. We never get a mature RNA. We always get a primary transcript. We also call this as precursor RNA. ता माने कौन मोर जेतले ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होउची मो स्प्लिट जीन रो मु केबे भी mRNA पाइबी नाही. मु सदा बेले गोटिए प्रिकर्सर RNA पाइबी किंबा प्राइमरी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट पाइबी. सेटा mRNA काहे के नाही, mRNA टा फंक्शनल. मु जदी मोर प्राइमरी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट को नोउची आउ सेटा जदी बाय चांस ट्रांसलेशन हुए मते इंसुलिन प्रोटीन केबे भी मिलबनी, बिकॉज आई एम हैविंग योर नॉन कोडिंग सीक्वेंस. जो सीक्वेंस उडा को इंसुलिन जीन रो पार्ट नाही, जो सीक्वेंस गुड़ाक इंसुलिन को कोड करेनी, से ही सीक्वेंस गुड़ाक भी या भितर अच्छी. सो आई नीड टू गेट रिड ऑफ दिस इंट्रॉन्स, ए येलो कलर रीजन्स गुड़ाक आई नीड टू गेट रिड ऑफ इट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन योर यूकैरियोट इज दैट यूकैरियोट इज हैविंग अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम ऑफ योर पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल मॉडिफिकेशन. यूकैरियोट भितर आमर गोटे कॉम्प्लेक्स सिस्टम अच्छी विच वी कॉल post transcriptional modification. The name itself indicate post माने ट्रांसक्रिप्शन परे. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन परे जो मॉडिफिकेशन गुड़ाक होची दैट आर कॉल्ड पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल मॉडिफिकेशन. गुड़ाए मॉडिफिकेशंस अच्छी, बट से गुड़ाए मॉडिफिकेशन रु गोटे मॉडिफिकेशन इज योर स्प्लाइसिंग. Okay, so in this splicing what has been done, all the intron they are been spliced out. Splicing माने काटिवा. So splicing रे कौन होची, splicing रे this introns are been cut out and these exons are joined together. Now we are getting a functional transcript or your mature RNA or your mRNA. So in eukaryotes, from your split gene to your mRNA, I am having another step in between, which is your primary transcript. आउ से primary transcript को मते गोटे functional mRNA मिलिबा पाई मते गोटे process through रु जिबा पाई पड़िबो, which is your post transcriptional modification. A post transcriptional modification co process through ru mujai, I go through the splicing process to cut out this introns over here, and now from this one I can easily get my protein through your translation. Okay, so if I am taking your split gene, if I am directly taking your split gene and cloning it into a vector and introducing into your prokaryote cells, they do not have the mechanism for your splicing. प्रोकैरियोट सेल रे स्प्लाइसिंग मेकानिज्म टा नहीं, तो से माने ए स्प्लिट जीन रो फंक्शनल mRNA केबे भी प्रोड्यूस करि परिबे नहीं. आउ मोर प्रोडक्ट विच इज योर प्रोटीन प्रोडक्ट, आई विल नेवर गेट इट इन केस ऑफ योर प्रोकैरियोट. सो व्हेन आई एम यूजिंग दिस mRNA टू क्रिएट अ DNA, what is going on over there? I am not getting the introns. मु जेते बेले फंक्शनल mRNA को नहीं कि गोटे DNA टेम्पलेट टा क्रिएट करछि, सेही जो DNA मु पाइली ता भितरे इंट्रॉन गुडा को नहीं. They are the intronless DNA. Your cDNA, if I am creating it from your eukaryote, it is intronless DNA, and this cDNA I can easily put it in a host, prokaryotic host, and from that cDNA I can get a functional mRNA, and from that functional mRNA I can get the protein. Okay, so why we are taking cDNA? We are taking in cDNA so that in case of prokaryote, if we are using prokaryote as a host, then we need to worry about a split gene. Am pakhre directly am pakhre cDNA achi without introns, so that is helpful for us. Okay, now how do I go about with this production of my cDNA? Mu cDNA kemiti pai paribi? So first I will inside our body the split gene is there. Inside our body, the split gene will be transcribed into your primary transcript, that is your precursor mRNA. Then from precursor mRNA, I am getting your functional mRNA by splicing. Okay, so up till this process, the body is the functional mRNA our body is making first. So what we need to do is we need to isolate this mRNA. We need to isolate this mRNA from the cell, and after isolating the mRNA from the cell, we add your enzyme. In a test tube, we add your enzyme, reverse transcriptase enzyme, and we provide it with appropriate buffer for the reaction to occur. So this reverse transcriptase, what it does, it creates a complementary strand of the DNA. So after I have got this complementary strand of, this is the mRNA that have been isolated, and after adding reverse transcriptase, my cDNA is been constructed on mRNA template. Now after this entire template have been created, like suppose this is the mRNA, after the entire DNA, not template, after the entire DNA has been created, I do not need this mRNA. Now how the molecule is that the mRNA is in hybrid with your DNA. I am getting your hybrid molecule. mRNA ro gote strand DNA सहित attach हेकी अछि by complementary base pairing. So with this we call this as your hybrid molecule. Okay, so after production of this DNA, I do not need this mRNA. मोर आउ दरकार नहीं, मो पाखरे DNA template, गोटे DNA template मो पाखरे आसी गलानी. So how do I erase or how do I remove this RNA? I can remove this RNA by adding your alkali or your ribonuclease enzyme. Alkali किंबा ribonuclease enzyme add कले से RNA टा को degrade कर दला, and I get a single intact copy of your cDNA. After this one, then your DNA polymerase is added, and this DNA polymerase will synthesize the complementary strand of the cDNA. DNA polymerase तार complementary strand synthesize कला परे आमको से double stranded DNA टा मिली गला, and this double stranded cDNA now I can clone it into a vector to form your recombinant DNA. So this is how I am getting your cDNA. Why cDNA is helpful? cDNA is helpful for your expression of your eukaryotic gene, which are split genes in your prokaryotic vectors. In your prokaryotic host. Now coming to your cDNA library. Library माने कौन? For in your mind it will come that you go to a room, you are having all the books. You need to go from one shop to another shop, search for the book of your interest. You go to a library, the library is having all the array, all the collection of book, and you just need to choose what book you need to read. In the same way, we are having your DNA library. Excuse me. आमे जेते बेले recombinant DNA technology आमे जेते बेले करूचे, आमर main requirement are your genes, and the end product might be your mRNA or it might be your protein. So we are having your DNA library where all the genes or the entire genome we can store it, and we just need to choose what gene I need to choose it, and I need to use it for my purpose. So we are having your two type of your DNA library, your cDNA library and your genomic DNA library. First we will be going into your cDNA library. So what is your cDNA library? The cDNA libraries are collection of your cDNA clones. they are collection of cDNA clones generated in vitro. In vitro माने body भितरे generate हेनी, outside the body in laboratory we are generating it in vitro from your functional mRNA from a single tissue of an organism. It might be a single tissue, it might be a single cell of an organism, with the help of your enzyme reverse transcriptase and store it in a bacteria. The माने कौन आमे we isolate the entire mRNA from tissue of an organism. गोटे organism रो गोटे particular tissue हो किंबा cell हो, आमे सेठू तार entire mRNA टा को isolate करूचे, बाहर को आउचे, cell रो बाहर को आउचे. And after isolating the entire mRNA, then all the we are generating your cDNA for all the mRNA. जेते सेल रो टोटल आरएनए रो आमे cDNA आमे क्रिएट कराउछे आउ डबल स्ट्रैंडेड सेथिरे डीएनए पॉलीमरेज भी रिएक्शन मिक्सचर रे थिबा हमको डबल स्ट्रैंडेड cDNA मिलिला. And all this cDNA, all this different cDNA that we are getting from एडी खाली चारिटा देखाई छि, we get thousands and thousands of your mRNA. Okay, so all these things we clone it, we carry on the restriction digestion of the cDNA, we do the restriction digestion of the vector with the same restriction enzyme, and we clone individual, we insert your individual cDNA into your vector. All the cDNA that we have got from your mRNA, all the cDNA we are joining it or inserting it into a vector. Okay, after getting the recombinant DNA, then we are introducing it into your bacteria, and we are we are culturing this and keeping this cDNA in the form of your recombinant bacteria. आमे recombinant bacteria जहाँ भीतर के cDNA अच्छी से गुड़ा को आमे स्टोर करिकी रखू. So future रे मु जो thousands of gene जो आमरो already clone है कि आमरो inside bacteria अच्छी, future रे मते suppose गोटे gene दरकार हला, मु ए library भितरु आराम से I can screen it out which is the DNA of my interest from this library and I can use. So what is the purpose of creating your library? The purpose of creating the library is I am eliminating all the steps that I need, all the steps for getting your cDNA. Mo cDNA पाइबा पे first I needed to isolate the tissue, then I needed to isolate the entire mRNA. मु एटा जेते easily कहि दोची tissue isolate कले tissue रो mRNA आमे isolate करू, so मु एटा जेते easily कहि दोची सेटा एते easy process नुहे. It take lots of time, it takes lots of time for all these processes, weeks, months, it takes lot of time to get cDNA. Okay, so I am eliminating the entire, मु एते time आउ waste करूनी एबे, मो डायरेक्टली गोटे cDNA लाइब्रेरी मोर जीन इंटरेस्ट को मु नहीं आसिकी मोर फर्दर एक्सपेरिमेंट आई कैन कैरी आउट विथ दैट वन. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द positive point of your using cDNA library? The positive point of using cDNA library is that for eukaryotic gene, the eukaryotic gene, we are eliminating the introns. The cDNA is not having your introns. So eukaryotic gene, with the help of the cDNA, we can express it in your prokaryote. Now what is the negative point about your cDNA library? The negative point of cDNA library is I will get the cDNA of only those genes that are expressing. ता माने कौन, our human genome project says that there are about 20 to 25,000 genes in our body, in our genome. 20 to 25,000 genes in our genome. किंतु ए जो 20 to 25,000 genes अच्छी, ए सब तक gene inside a cell, they are not expressed at a single time. तांकर एक्सप्रेशन सब तक जीन आमर सेल भितर एक्सप्रेस हुए ना, तो जो जीन एट दैट पर्टी मु जो टाइम रे मु सेल टा को बाहर करछि, एमआरएनए टा को बाहर करछि, सो सेई सेल भितर जो जो जीन गुड़ा को एक्सप्रेस होचंदी माने कोन, जो जो जीन गुड़ा को तांको एमआरएनए प्रोड्यूस करचंती, से जीन गुड़ा को ही मु cDNA बा से mRNA गुड़ा को ही नहीं कि मु cDNA को कन्वर्ट करी पारिबी. I cannot create a cDNA library of those genes which are not expressing themselves. So this is the biggest drawback of the cDNA library. In case of plants आमे cDNA library पाए आमे cells जो choose करू बा tissue choose करू आमे केमिति choose करू. Usually active cells, we choose active cells. What are active cells? The cells which are engaged in your protein synthesis, which are engaged in your high amount of your protein synthesis. आमे से cell गुड़ा को नहीं था. For example, your root cell in plant, your leaf cell in plant. In case of your mammal, we use ovary cell, then your reticulocytes, etc. We are using it in case of your mammal. So this is the gist of your preparation of your cDNA library. Now we will be coming to your synthetic DNA. आमर गोटे insert आमे केमिति पाऊ बा foreign DNA आमे केमिति पाऊ. First आमे पाई परिवा with the help of cDNA. The second one with the help of your synthetic DNA. We also write it small s DNA. So what are the synthetic DNA? The synthetic DNA are DNA that we are creating inside the lab. We are not dependent on any living organism for this DNA. We are thoroughly preparing the DNA inside our lab. So how do we go about it? The synthetic DNA, they are prepared in vitro from your free deoxynucleotide triphosphate. आमर DNA synthesize करिबा पाई आमुको चारिटा प्रकार आमुको DNTP दरकार हबो. DNTP माने it is a short form for your free deoxynucleotide triphosphate. से चारिटा कोन already we have known your DATP, DGTP, CTP and your ATG and your C. ATGC. So this four DATP, DGTP, DCTP and your DTTP. These four nucleotides are required for synthesizing your DNA along with your DNA polymerase and your primers. Okay. So we are having two ways of producing this synthetic DNA. आउ मु केमिति प्रोड्यूस कर पारिबी मु सिंथेटिक डीएनए टा प्रोड्यूस कर पारिबी जदि मते सीक्वेंस टा जाना. If I know the sequence of my gene of interest, then I can easily produce my synthetic DNA. So there are two ways of producing the synthetic DNA: your synthesis of your DNA on a template and synthesis of your DNA without a template. गोटा करे template use हुए, गोटा करे template use हुए नहीं. So the synthesis of DNA on a template was first discovered by your Kornberg in 1961. Dr. Kornberg discovered it in 1961. So he took it template दरकार हुए. He took your viral DNA as primer over here, and in that reaction mixture he took all the four DNTPs and your DNA polymerase and your metal ion, and with this he created the synthetic DNA. Now the other type of creation of your synthetic DNA is synthesis of your DNA without your template. एथिरे आमर template दरकार नहीं. The thoroughly we are synthesizing the DNA chemically. आमे लैब रे केमिकली आमे DNA टा को सिंथेसाइज करछे केमिति with the help of the 4 DNTPs, DNA polymerase and metal ion. So it was Dr. Hargovind Khurana. He was an Indian American scientist. It was Dr. Hargovind Khurana who first demonstrated the synthesis of your DNA without the use of your template. So first synthetic DNA by him was your gene coding for your East alanine tRNA in 1965. से जो first synthetic DNA तैयार करथिले, that was the gene coding for your East alanine tRNA, but it was non-functional. Why this? What do I mean when I say this synthetic DNA was non-functional? When they inserted this DNA into a vector and expressed it in prokaryote, the mRNA didn't appear, or this tRNA didn't form. A tRNA टा जो East alanine tRNA, a tRNA टा हेई पारिला नाही. So this was non-functional. Then again what he did in 1979, Dr. Khurana synthesized the first synthetic gene coding for your tyrosine tRNA. ये जो tyrosine tRNA से जो create करते synthetic gene in 1979, this was the functional gene which he produced. So genes for your hormones, somatotropin and for your insulin have been artificially synthesized. So without dependence on any living organism also, in lab I can synthesize the DNA of my interest provided I know the sequence of that gene. Now finally coming to your last one in this procuring of your insert DNA, it is your random DNA fragments. In this random DNA fragment, what we do, we isolate the chromosome from an organism. Suppose I need again human insulin gene, what I will do is I will first isolate the cell. Then after isolating the cell, I will isolate the chromosome from the nucleus. After getting the entire chromosome, what I do is I carry out the restriction enzyme digestion. मो entire chromosome को काढ़ी सारा परे मो chromosome टा को काटुची with the help of your restriction enzyme. So by cutting it with the restriction enzyme, I am getting huge array of your fragment. 8 चार्टा देखाई, but it is much more complicated than when we actually do it in a lab. We get your huge array of your fragments, small fragments. So A fragments with through, I then choose, suppose this red one is the gene of my interest, I then choose the gene of my interest from over there. Okay, so directly we are taking the gene from the chromosome over here. So since we are dealing it with chromosome, we are having another type of your library, your genomic DNA library. Genomic DNA library कौन? Genomic DNA library, it is a collection of clones that represents the complete genome of a single organism. Genomic DNA library, it represents the complete genome of a single organism, but your cDNA library will never represent the complete genome of your single organism. Why? Because cDNA we have formed your cDNA from your mRNA, and over here in case of your genomic DNA library, we are directly taking the chromosome. Then after taking the chromosome, after isolating the chromosome, we are cutting it with your, we are cleaving it with your restriction endonuclease. After cleaving it with your restriction endonuclease, we are getting your huge amount of your fragments, and individually we are inserting these fragments into your vector of interest. आमे सबुतक फ्रैगमेंट जोटा कि आमे जीनोम को काटे, आमे क्रोमोसोम को काटिकी पाइचे, ए सबुतक फ्रैगमेंट को आमे वेक्टर भितर इंसर्ट कले, इंसर्ट कला परे या को आमे ई कला किछि भी गोटे प्रोकैरियोटिक बैक्टीरिया भितर आमे इंसर्ट कले, एंड वी स्टोर दिस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ योर ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड होस्ट. आमे जो भितर को यही सबू डीएनए गुड़ाक जाइए, जो सेल भितर को यही सबू जीनोमिक डीएनए रो फ्रैगमेंट गुड़ाक जाइए, आमे से बैक्टीरिया गुड़ाक चूज करिकी आमे सेटा को स्टोर कर दौचे, एंड वी कॉल इट एज योर जीनोमिक डीएनए लाइब्रेरी. आमे जदि सबुतक बैक्टीरिया रो आमे से इंसर्ट गुड़ाक काढ़ा, so it will represent the entire genome of that particular organism. Okay, so the main drawback of this genomic DNA library for your eukaryotes is that taking genes from this genomic DNA library, we cannot directly insert it into your prokaryotic host. If it is a eukaryotic genomic DNA library, आमे जदि गोटे eukaryotic organism रो genomic DNA library करिछे, सेइटु आमे सेई क्लोन फ्रैगमेंट टाको नै कि आमे सेटा को एक्सप्रेस करि परिबानी प्रोकैरियोट रे, काहे कि कारण eukaryote रो split genes अछि. But the positive point is that it represent entire आम गोटे organism भितर जेते जीन थाई पारे सेते सबुतक जीन cloned हेकी स्टोर हेकी अछि in the form of a library. So I need to go about searching for the tissue, then harvesting my chromosome from the tissue, going on with a restriction enzyme, cloning with, because this all processes takes months to reach the end product. Okay, so I am eliminating सबु step को मु eliminate करी कि मो पाखरे जदि गोटे लाइब्रेरी अच्छी मु डायरेक्टली से लाइब्रेरी को जाइए मोर मु खाली गोटे स्टेप ये परफॉर्म कौचे आई एम सर्चिंग माय जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ओवर हियर. सो दिस इज योर genomic DNA library. So we have completed your enzymes, we have completed your recombinant DNA which consisted of your vector and your insert. आमे insert केमिति पाइबा को मेथड रू पाइबा भी आमे कंप्लीट कर सारलेनी. एबे आमे जिबा होस्ट को. What is a host? A host might be a living system. A host can be a living system or a cell into which the carrier of the recombinant DNA molecule of the vector is propagated and multiplied, and they are also known as your cloning factories. होस्ट रो अन्य ना होची क्लोनिंग फैक्ट्रीज. व्हाई? बिकॉज आमे जो रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए पाइले आमे आमर सीडीएनए रू हो किंबा फ्रॉम योर जीनोमिक डीएनए रू हो बा सिंथेटिक डीएनए रू हो आमे से जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट को वी हैव ऑलरेडी इंसर्टेड इनटू योर दिस वेक्टर. सो आमे गोटे रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए ऑलरेडी पाई जाइए. सो ए रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टा ग्रो करबा दरकार बिकॉज एट द एंड what is the end of my this recombinant DNA technology? I should be getting huge amount of your product. Industrial scale रे मते product दरकार. तो सेही पाई मोर ए जो recombinant DNA टा अच्छी सेहीटा मते huge amount रे दरकार. तो ह्यूज अमाउंट रे मु कोठी सेटा को क्रिएट करि परिबी. I can create it inside the host. Okay, so host can be your living system or your cell. Living system माने I can introduce these vectors, my recombinant vector, into a plant, into an entire plant. Plant is a living system. मु गोटे प्लांट भितर को गोटे गछ भितर को मु मोर रिकॉम्बिनेंट वेक्टर टा आराम से एंटर करे दे पारिबी. सो इट इज अ लिविंग सिस्टम. और इनटू योर सेल्स माने एस्चुरिकिया कोलाई व्हिच वी हैव बीन डीलिंग सिंस the first class. मु गोटे सेल भितर को भी इंट्रोड्यूस कर दे पारिबी. सो आफ्टर इंट्रोडक्शन व्हाट हैपेंस इनसाइड दिस होस्ट? मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द प्लाज्मिड. मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड प्रोपगेशन कौन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन कौन. द रिकॉम्बिनेंट प्लाज्मिड टा होस्ट को एंटर कर साला परे तार निज ओरिजिन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन अच्छी. वेक्टर भितर निज ओरिजिन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन अच्छी. सो वेक्टर टा इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम ऑफ द होस्ट से निजे से मल्टीप्लाई करे तार अमाउंट टाको से निजे बढ़ाए. दिस इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. व्हाट इज प्रोपगेशन? व्हेन द सेल इज डिवाइडिंग, when the host cell is dividing, this recombinant cell is this recombinant plasmid is distributed among the daughter cell. This is propagation. से divide खाली से खाली multiply करूनी host plasmid टा multiply कला inside the host. At the same time जेतोळे host cell divide कोची दीटा daughter cell form कोची से दीटा daughter cell भितरे मध्य ए recombinant DNA टा अछि. So both propagation and multiplication is carried out within this host. So what do I get? I get multiple copies of exactly identical recombinant DNA. मते multiple copies, millions of copy मते मिलची exactly genetically identical. मो जो recombinant DNA टा जो थिला exactly genetically identical मते मिलची, and that is known as your cloning. And since this cloning process is carried out in host, we call this host as your cloning factories. Okay, so there are your two type of hosts. Basically classification host or data type host achi. Your prokaryotic host, usually we use the bacteria, and your eukaryotic host. So this is a chart which is showing your prokaryotic host, their types, example, all these things it has shown. First we will be going to your prokaryotic host. Prokaryotic host ro ame jo classical example neba. This classical example is your bacterium Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli. So this Escherichia coli was a first organism. It was the first organism to be used as a host for your recombinant DNA technology. E. coli bacterium was the first organism to be used as a host for your recombinant DNA technology, and it is still the best choice of all the researchers. एबे भी प्रति रिसर्चर जेते बड़े लैब रे काम करती से माने यही होस्ट को प्रिफर करती फॉर योर रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी पर्पस. सो अंडर सुइटेबल कंडीशन दिस Escherichia coli or your E. coli it can double itself within 20 minutes. सुइटेबल कंडीशंस माने कौन प्रॉपर आमे जदि ताको ग्रोथ मीडियम देबा या प्रॉपर अमाउंट ऑफ योर विटामिन्स एंड एवरीथिंग गोटे ग्रोथ मीडियम रे आमे एंड प्रॉपर टेम्परेचर पीएच आमे जदि मेंटेन करिबा ई कलाइटा निजको डबल कर दिए विथिन 20 मिनट्स. So its multiplication rate is very high, and thus the bacteria multiply. Their plasmid also, as the bacteria multiply, the plasmid will also multiply, and we will produce millions of copy referred to as your colony or in short clones. ए गोटे बैक्टीरिया जहाँ भितर कि आमर रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए थिला से गोटे ट्रांसफॉर्म बैक्टीरिया रु आमे मिलियंस ऑफ कॉपी ओवरनाइट आमे पाई परिबा जते बेले आमे ए Escherichia coli को आमे नोचे एज अ होस्ट. आमे जो पाइबा जो डीएनए जो आमे जो पाउचे रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए दैट इज एग्जैक्टली आइडेंटिकल जो रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टा आमे पूरेचे से बैक्टीरिया भितर. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कॉलिंग इट एज अ क्लोन. Okay, but this also, this Escherichia coli, apart from all its positive point that is having as a host, it also has certain limitation. तारो किछिटा drawbacks भी अछि. What are the drawbacks? Certain strains of your Escherichia coli, they are associated with your diarrhea. Certain endotoxins are produced by E. coli which are toxic. Second. Third is export capacity of this E. coli is very low. प्रोटीन एक्सपोर्ट कैपेसिटी प्रोटीन टाको एक्सपोर्ट करिवार कैपेसिटीटा ई coli रे बहुत लो. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वन द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट लिमिटेशन इज इट कैन नॉट परफॉर्म योर पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल मॉडिफिकेशन. जदि से पोस्ट ट्रांसक्रिप्शनल मॉडिफिकेशन करि पारुनी आमे डायरेक्टली यूकैरियोटिक जीन्स फ्रॉम आवर क्रोमोसोम we cannot express it inside this E. coli. Okay, so this is about your classical example of using your prokaryote which is your E. coli as a host. Now we will be going to your eukaryotic host. As I said that prokaryotic hosts, they are not having your mechanism for your post transcriptional modification. So for expression of your eukaryotic gene, we usually use this eukaryotic host. The most commonly used organism for your transfection or for your or the most common choice as a host for your eukaryote is your yeast. The scientific name is your Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So this yeast has been used by us in our kitchen for baking, brewing purposes. It has been used. It is a non-toxic. It is non-pathogenic. आमर जेबे साइंस कौन आमे जानी नथिले since time immemorial ता आगुरु भी आमर ईस्ट को आमे यूज करी आसीचे आमर डिफरेंट हाउस होल्ड मेकानिज्म रे फॉर बेकिंग एंड एवरीथिंग आमे ईस्ट को यूज करी आसीचे. Certain fungi have also been used as your host for your gene cloning processes. So this ends are host like what are the type of host? Your prokaryotic host and your eukaryotic host. Now coming to the characteristic feature of a host. मु को भी organism को ओडे नहीं जीवी मु कोई भी I'll use this as a host for my recombinant DNA technology. This will not happen. This will not happen. The host that I am choosing should have certain characteristics. What are those characteristics? The first one is rapid turnover, fast growth. मो एमितिका गोटे होस्ट चूज करी जार की ग्रोथ बहुत फास्ट आउ जार टर्नओवर रेट बहुत फास्ट कहीं कारण दिस रिकॉम्बिनेंट दिस बायोटेक्नोलॉजी थिंग दैट वी आर स्टडिंग द अल्टीमेट गोल इज फॉर बेटरमेंट ऑफ योर ह्यूमन काइंड. जदि ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन को जीवा पई अछि मते ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दरकार सो मु स्लो डिवाइडिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म गुड़ा को नहीं कि मु मोर टाइम मु वेस्ट करि पारिबी नाही आई हैव टू चूज एन ऑर्गेनिज्म व्हिच इज हैविंग अ ह्यूज ग्रोथ रेट okay second is can be grown in large quantity using your ordinary culture method ताकू किसी स्पेसिफिक ता कल्चर पाई मते किसी स्पेसिफिक हाई फाई मेथड दरकार नहीं मो एमिति का ऑर्गेनिज्म चूज करबी जे कि मो लैबोरेटरी कंडीशन रे आराम से ग्रो करि पारिबो it must be easy for me to use that host okay so सेटा जो host laboratory condition रे grow कर परिबो मु सेई गुडा को ही नेबी those organism that cannot be cultured in your laboratory I cannot take those organism as a host so it can easily be cultured in lab condition से characteristics निहाती रहिबा दरकार then third is it should be non pathogenic it should be non pathogenic neither for the gene जोटा मु प्रोड्यूस एक्सप्रेस करछि से होस्ट भितरे तार भी किछि माने डिग्रेडेशन हेबा कथा नाही इनसाइड द होस्ट किंबा द पर्सन हु इज यूजिंग द साइंटिस्ट हु इज एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग विथ अ होस्ट it should be non pathogenic to that person also then fourth it is capable it must be capable of accepting your plasmid or your bacteriophage मो गोटे रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए ऑलरेडी मु क्रिएट कर सारी आई एम हैविंग अ रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए किंतु से रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टा मु जदि होस्ट भीतर को पुरई पारिबी नाही if the host is unable to take inside the recombinant DNA then it is of no use because I want to grow my plasmid or my recombinant DNA and multiply it and also express it inside the host. For that purpose it must be able to express the recombinant plasmid of my interest. जदि गोटे host ए bacteriophage हो किंबा cosmid हो किंबा plasmid हो recombinant plasmid हो ए गुड़ा को accept कर पाउनी ता निज भीतर को नहीं पाउनी तो से गुड़ा को मु host हिसाब से मु नहीं पारिबी नाही then maintaining foreign gene through multiple generation if I am introducing a recombinant DNA into a host से host टा जेते बेले divide करूची से host टा जेते बेले cell division होची आउ daughter cell provide कोची those daughter cell must also be having that recombinant plasmid जदि डॉटर सेल को से रिकॉम्बिनेंट प्लाज्मिड टा दौनी देन आई कैन नॉट यूज दैट एज अ होस्ट कारण प्रति थर जेते बेले सेल डिवाइड होची प्लाज्मिड टा प्रति डॉटर सेल को जाइकी से डॉटर सेल भितर भी प्लाज्मिड डिवाइड रेप्लिकेट करिकी तार नंबर टा बढ़ेबा दरकार okay so it must be maintained through generation within the खाली जो होस्ट मोर नहीं खाली ता भितरे से होस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गला ताहा नुहे ताठू जो डॉटर सेल गुड़ाक एराइज हे थ्रू सेल डिविजन दोस डॉटर सेल also must be having the recombinant DNA of my interest then it will secrete a high yield of protein from the expressed foreign gene. The final thing the host must be having is it must be able to express the gene of interest. मु बाहर जो गोटे फॉरेन जीन मु जो जीन टा पुरे होस्ट भितर से होस्ट पाए से जीन टा होची फॉरेन जीन किंतु से फॉरेन जीन टा को ता भितर नहीं सारा पर तार एक्सप्रेशन करे परिबा दरकार से होस्ट से जीन रो एक्सप्रेशन करे पार्थबा दरकार सो व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय एक्सप्रेशन दैट जीन मस्ट बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू योर mRNA फर्स्ट एंड फ्रॉम दैट mRNA आई विल बी गेटिंग द प्रोटीन okay so that host must be producing a huge amount of this end product which might be your which might be your mRNA or it might be the protein of our interest okay jodi protein produce कर पानी कारण most of the things that most of the vaccines most of the growth hormones हो जहाँ भी हो आमे end product टाको आमे protein टाको use करचु आमे DNA टाको नहीं कि use करूनु so I should be getting huge amount of the end product so only if a host is having all these 6 characteristics it will be taken I can take that as a host otherwise I cannot take it as a host so this ends my first class of today then in our next class we will be going to your recombinant DNA, your steps in your recombinant DNA technology in details. Thank you. Hello students, hi again. I am Dr. Bandita Rath. So I have taken your 3 classes related to your unit, your recombinant DNA technology, and within these 3 classes we have already completed your introduction to your recombinant DNA technology. Then we have also completed your most of the tools of your recombinant DNA technology, like your enzymes that we have been using, your recombinant DNA which consists of your vector and insert, and your host we have completed. So few of the tools that were there in the chart, like your PCR and your gene therapy, these two we will be dealing as we will be going in our next round of our classes. Okay, so we have completed till your host. Now we will be going on to your steps of your recombinant DNA technology. Though in our first class we have gone in brief about your steps in your recombinant DNA technology, now we will go deep inside. ए क्लास रू आमे प्रतिटी स्टेप को केमिति होची, प्रतिटी स्टेप केमिति होची, ता प्रोसेस कौन, ए सबु तक आमे जानिबा स्टेप्स इन योर रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी. एक्चुअली केमिति जिनसटा होची आमे या भितरे जानिबा. So basically this recombinant, the steps of your recombinant DNA technology, it is having these 8 steps. What are they? First is your isolation of your genetic material. Definitely we are dealing it with DNA. आम पाखे जदि DNA नहीं तो we cannot go about, we cannot proceed with the experiment. So first we need to have the DNA. See the DNA, where are we getting it, the DNA? If it is a insert, मु last class रे कही थी insert जदि आमको दरकार बा foreign DNA दरकार, I can get it through your cDNA, I can get it, I can synthesize the DNA, or I can get it through your genomic DNA. And plasmid, I can plasmid or the vector, I can procure it from any company. ओके, आजिकल गुड़ाए कंपनी आसले जो माने कि प्लाज्मिड गुड़ाक सेल कर, तो आमको जो प्रकार प्लाज्मिड ही ना माने वेक्टर सेल कर. सो व्हाट एवर वेक्टर वी नीड वी कैन प्रोक्योर इट फ्रॉम अ कंपनी, एंड द जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वी कैन इजीली isolate it. So first is my isolation of the genetic material, which is a DNA. Then coming to the second one is a restriction enzyme digestion. आमे आगुरु बहुत थर ए जिनसटा पढ़ी के आसीचे, if I am not cutting my gene of interest or the foreign DNA, the foreign gene with the help of a restriction enzyme, and also I am cutting the vector with the help of the same restriction enzyme. मु ए दीटा जाकु जो पर्यंत सेम restriction enzyme रे काटिनी तांकु join करिबाटा मो पाए possible हबो नाही, because ultimately the vector is a carrier. vector टा मोर DNA of interest टाकु नै कि जिबो गोटी organism रु आउ गोटे organism भितरकु. so जेबे पर्यंत मु ए मोर जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट को मु वेक्टर भितर इंसर्ट करिनी बा जॉइन करिनी, वेक्टर सहित जॉइन करिनी, मु सेटा को insert kari paribini into a host. So I need restriction enzyme to cut my insert and also the vector that I will be using. Third जोटा अच्छी amplification of gene of interest by using PCR. मो PCR कही आमर टूल गोटे थिला जो टेबल दे करथिली तममानक पई. सो से PCR कौन, PCR रो फुल फॉर्म होची पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन. इट इज अ पॉलीमरेज चेन रिएक्शन. सपोज मु जेते बेले फॉरेन DNA बा इंसर्ट मु जेते बेले आइसोलेट करिछि गोटे ऑर्गेनिज्म रो, दैट इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. Because I have to carry out n number of your experiments. I have to carry out many experiments in which I will be requiring this insert DNA. So मो पाखरे जदि आगुरु बहुत अमाउंट रे insert DNA नाई, सेटा मो पाई बहुत माने कॉम्प्लेक्स व कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस हे जिवो. एंड ऑल्सो इन ईच स्टेप आमे जेतबे रिकॉम्बिनेंट DNA टेक्नोलॉजी थ्रू रु जाउचे, प्रतिटी स्टेप रे हमर प्यूरिफिकेशन इज अ मस्ट. आमे प्रति रिएक्शन पर purification is needed, and in all these purification processes we lose some amount of the DNA. So I need to have huge amount of your DNA. तो मु तो बाहर करची माने आइदर cDNA रु मु बाहर करची किंबा मु ऑर्गेनिज्म रु बाहर करची मु एटा बढ़े केमिति पारिबी ए जो DNA रो अमाउंट ता बढ़े केमिति पारिबी. There is a technique, there is a technology that we call as a polymerase chain reaction. ए टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करके गोटे DNA strand ru I can produce millions of copy within a short span of time. So this is your third one, which is your amplification of your gene of interest with the help of your PCR. Fourth step कौन मते वेक्टर मिल जाइछि मते जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट भी मु आइसोलेट कर सारलेनी दीटा जाकू आई हैव कटेड विथ रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम मोर जदि कम अच्छी जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मु सेटा को अधिका भी कर सारछि विथ द हेल्प ऑफ पीसीआर. So now I just need to ligate the gene of interest into your vector. मु ligation process को मु जीबी माने what is ligation? The gene of interest I am joining it with a vector. This is the ligation process, which is a fourth one. After ligation process, then the fifth one is insertion of the recombinant DNA into host. मोर recombinant DNA मोर एबे synthesize हे गला. Now I want that recombinant DNA I want to put it inside a suitable host. काहे कि कारण मते end product गोटे दरकार. I need huge amount of either the gene of my interest, or I need huge amount of the mRNA, or I need huge amount of the protein product. तो सेटा कोठी हे परिबो सेटा गोटे होस्ट सेल भितरे जो क्लोनिंग प्रोसेस को आमे जो जिबा ए क्लोनिंग प्रोसेस टा कोठी हे परिबो क्लोनिंग प्रोसेस टा गोटे होस्ट सेल भितरे हे परिबो. So that is why in the fifth step I am inserting the recombinant DNA into a host. Then in the sixth step isolation of the recombinant host. मु आगुरु भी कहिछि when I am taking huge amount of this recombinant host मु गोटे दीटा नोनी मु बहुत I am taking thousands and thousands of this recombinant host and triple the amount of my recombinant DNA. So मु ए जाकू गोटे मिक्स करछि जते सुइटेबल एनवायरनमेंट भीतर गोटे मिक्स करिकि जेतेबे इंट्रोड्यूस करोछि दिस recombinant DNA into a host, all host will not be taking this recombinant DNA. सबु host recombinant DNA नियंती नहीं. So what do I do? How do I see that which host is having the gene of my interest or the recombinant vector? मु केमिति सिलेक्ट करिबी. So we have already dealt with the selection procedure. आमे blue white screening कोन आमे डेल कर सारचे आमे एंटीबायोटिक यूज करिकि आमे केमिति सिलेक्शन करि परिबा with the help of selection markers which are present in vectors. We have already dealt with it. So ए सबु selection marker उडा को ने कि which are present in the vector I can easily select which is the recombinant host. माने को host भितरे मोर recombinant DNA टा अछि मु सेटा easily select कर दे पारिबी. Then after selection of this or after isolation of this isolation माने मु non recombinant host to मु isolate अलगा कर दउचे एमानको को जो मानको भितरे के recombinant जो बैक्टीरिया भितरे मो recombinant plasmid अछि मु सेटा को अलगा कर दउची जो कोट काटो अलगा करछि जो बैक्टीरिया मानको भितरे ए recombinant plasmid ता नाही. So I am isolating them. After this isolation process, obtaining insert gene product at industrial level. मोर end product सदा बेले माने from the starting I have been saying the recombinant DNA technology, biotechnology, all these things आमे जो कहूचे first ru all the major aim of all this thing is betterment of your human being. ए जिंस गुडा को जिबा दरकार to human आइदर तांको डिजीज उडा को एमिलियोरेट करिबा पे किंबा वैक्सीनेशन पाई हो जहा पाई भी हो दिस शुड रीच ह्यूमन बीइंग. So for that I need to culture these cells, this transform cell in an industrial scale. Industrial scale रे ए host उडा को culture by recombinant cell उडा को culture करिकि I will be getting the product in an industrial scale. मु बहुत huge amount of my end product. That end product can be mRNA or that end product can be your protein, the recombinant protein of interest. Then After that, after getting huge amount of the end product which is with might be your mRNA or the protein, then finally I will be going for downstream processing. Downstream processing माने कौन मु खाली we are using this live organism, आमे live organism गुड़ा को use करचे in this recombinant DNA technology. So impurities बहुत थाए मोर जो excuse me टिके बंद करती हूँ.